The Dell Inspiron 5400 AIO desktop comes with design worth displaying. Brilliantly designed 23.8-inch all-in-one desktop with 11th General Intel Core processors, Infinity Edge display, space-efficient stand, Dell Cinema and a pop-up webcam. On ports side it covers 1. Rear security lock slot, 2. DC power, 3. HDMI out, 4. HDMI in, 5. USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, 6. RJ45 Ethernet 10/100/1000, 7. USB 2.0 Type-A, 8. USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A, 9. USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A, 10. USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A, 11. Universal headphone jack, 12. SD card reader 3.0. Revel in the organized and elegant look of your all-in-one, featuring storage for accessories and cable management to keep your space clean and uncluttered. Modern setup, experience improved stability, fewer distractions and stunning design with a space-efficient stand, a forward-firing soundbar and keyboard storage underneath your display. It has 4.4 ratings on Amazon out of 5, which is quite impressive thing to know for anyone who wants to buy this AIO desktop.